Hi everyone, welcome back to Teacher CPD sessions focusing on video production and uploading. So again, my name is Elise, I'm from the STEM response team, and this should be the second video in the series telling you and exploring how to make the best of your educational online videos, how to edit them, upload them, and then share them afterwards. So in this video, we'll be using a software called HD Movie Maker Pro that you can get on your Microsoft Store. Now you can get this version for free. It's called just HD Movie Maker free version. But as you can see on the quick tools here, there'll be quite a few of these that aren't actually available on the free version. And that is why I upgraded to the Pro version. Now, the Pro version isn't actually that expensive. I think it's around £12 and sometimes it's on sale for £8 as well. Now, you don't need the Pro version for this video, but it will make it easier. The parts that you can do for free and the parts that will only be on Pro, I'll differentiate as I go, but you can still use the free version for this video. So to start our uploading or our new project, we're going to need to press this button here. So create new project. And that will bring you to the main Movie Maker homepage screen here. So down below, you can see we have a little toolbar. We have things like add clip, arrange clip, edit our soundtracks, and save project and video. So to get our recording onto the actual Movie Maker, we need to add the clip. So I'll go down and press add clip. You'll see it says add new clip in current position, beginning or end. So we'll press beginning and then we'll go to upload our photos and videos. So I've just checked to upload a video, it'll import it. Depending on the size, it might take a little while to actually download it into Movie Maker, but it shouldn't take too long. There we go, so it's uploading. And there we have it. So this is our first clip that's been imported into Movie Maker, and from here we can start exploring and editing it. So you can see on the actual clip there's a second toolbar come up down here, and that allows you to adjust the volume of the clip. For example, if you have two different people talking on two different clips, if one of them's a lot louder than the other person, you can just slightly reduce that volume or increase it if need be. Rotate, self-explanatory, you can rotate it if you want to. This might be pretty useful if you've recorded on a smartphone and it's flipped it the wrong way. Transition, this is like your PowerPoint effects where you go from one slide to the next. You can have it transition in a fade and a wave and a ripple. I tend to avoid these, but if you want to use them, knock yourself out. And then we have the more tools here. So if we go into more tools, you'll see it says split video, trim video, enhance, text overlay, and edit video. So the ones that we'll be looking at today will just be the split video and the trim video. The enhance, text overlay, and edit video we'll do in our next series, showing you how to edit videos and putting in pictures and text on there and maybe sounds as well. So the difference between split video and trim video. Trim video is if you have like one big long video clip, like just this one clip here, and say you mess up talking halfway through. You can go into the video and press trim, find where you've messed up or find a bit that's not needed anymore, click on it, and then press add trimmers. And then you can just delete the parts that you want. So let's just delete this segment here just for example's sake. You can put as many of these in as you want in one video, but to remove them, you don't press cancel. That makes everything turn off. Let's go back to that. So cancel will make things remove. There we are. Just put these back on here. And the same if you press remove trimmer, that will remove each one. So bear in mind you have to have the trimmer selected that you want to remove. Otherwise, if not selected, it won't really work and you might remove them all. So select the one you want and press remove. Again, you can just make them longer and shorter. You can play the video while you're doing this too. Obviously, I'm not going to play it right now because it'll just get you all confused and we don't need two videos playing at the same time. So then you press preview to save it. So there we have two videos now. So where our video is trimmed, it's made it into a new video tile. And that is basically what split video does as well. But only you can't get rid of, like, you can't cut a video, you can just split it into two different ones. I'll just show you now. So if we wanted to split this video at about 11 seconds, I would add a splitter. Let's add another one here as well, just for example's sake. Press save. And you can see now it's split it into multiple different tiles. And this can be quite useful when you're editing videos so that you know which segment contains which bit of information, so you're not having to trawl through the whole of one video trying to find the bits that you need. You can make it really easy and organised this way. What I will mention as well, the split tool is really useful on the free version, because on the free version you're very limited to what you can do in video editing, which we'll come to next week. So for example, you can only edit one tile per video. And it's really helpful if you can split your video, because then you can just edit as you go without being constrained to that free version. Okay, so we've got our main body of the video. If you want to make it look very professional and add a title, or maybe like your organisation at the start, we can do that. So you go back to add clip here, and you make sure it's on beginning of clip, not in current position. You can move it, but it's just easier if you go straight to the beginning of the clip. And you can press photo or video. Now I've got some thumbnails saved already on my account that I use for certain videos, so you can make these in Canva or on Word, for example, whatever's easier for you. And you just insert it. And you'll see there that the thumbnail has been inserted into the beginning, and as it's a picture, it will actually turn the picture into a video, so it'll just play the video for a few seconds. But you can also edit the duration of that. So the default is 5 seconds, but you can put as many seconds as you want to. Usually 3 is a good one, I think. Again, you can rotate it. You can change the transition, for example, and you have a new button called layout. So layout, you can just change how it looks, for example, make all these little cool adjustments. So just have a little play around with it and see what's best for you. Again, I'll show you that once more, but we'll go to the end of the project. We'll insert another video clip. And there we are, right on the end. And you can press play at any point to play through, and it'll show you a preview of your video. Now, to save your video, you have two options. You have Save Project and Save Video. So Save Project, you're not actually saving the video to your computer, you're saving the project to the Movie Maker. So you can always go back into that project and edit it at a later date. Save Video does both. So it'll save your current project. So we press yes, Save Project. You can give it a name. Let's just put graphics video, so we know which video it is. And then once it saves as a project, you can go ahead and save it to your actual desktop computer or USB drive. So in the free version, you'll only have, I think, this HD 720 quality and the hybrid encoder as options, whereas on the Pro version, you can save it in HD in different formats and save it to do the best performance as well. So you press Make Movie, you save it where you want to, and it'll start encoding the video, which takes a while, and then processing it. Again, the longer your video, the longer this process will take. So leave it to do its thing, go have a cup of tea, have a sandwich, and just come back to it when it's done, and it'll all be saved. So that was just a really quick walkthrough on the basics of Movie Maker, how to upload your videos, and then basic edit them using the trim tool and the split tool. The next few videos in this series will focus more on actual editing the video, so inserting pictures, adding sound, adding text, and we'll look at some different special effects as well.